welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Erica and today I'm going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. I have my box here. I haven't worn them yet because I've been waiting to do a video on them, and I was like, I'm not getting these dirty because I already know like I'm going to be wearing them all the time. My first Air Jordan 1s, so I'm super excited. I've been wanting some forever and I know they're so hard to get. I've been checking StockX and stuff, but they're so expensive, and I got lucky and I got them at the sneakers app, and I don't know how because I was actually lucky to get them, but I ended up getting them and they shipped so quick. Everything was so good, and yeah, I will be talking about that and showing you guys how they look on. So anyways, let's get into it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the box. This is what it came in, and it was really nice, and I already kind of did my research to see like what to expect and to know what I was looking for. I did see that they have a like a barcode here, so yeah, it comes with the sticker, Jordan sticker, which is super cool. So, and then it comes like this. Shoes are so beautiful. I don't even want to ruin them. So these are the shoes. I am a size, well, I got 5 youth because I'm a 5.5 in women. 5.5. I'm a 6.5 in women. So that was, you know, the size that I was going for. They fit perfectly. I already tried them on. Obviously I didn't put the lace in, and I guess you put them in here. It comes with the white shoelace, just in case you wanted that. This is the other pair. Super nice. Let me show you guys this. It is so nice, and it's like suede here, so it's like really soft. You know, I don't even want to get this dirty either. Like, I'm just gonna wear these at special occasions because they're too perfect. They're beautiful. They are kind of like a light brown. Okay, like in this lighting, in the video it looks like it's brown, but actually it's kind of like really light brown, like almost kind of gray. No, it's like really light brown, really light brown. And then it's black here. I'm gonna probably keep the laces. Oh yeah, they're in here. Oh yeah, they're inside. I'm like so lost. This is why I wanted to kind of check this out first. But yeah, this is a boys 5 youth. Again, I'm saying that again because it's important to know. It comes with black laces for both. You have an option to choose white as well, but I'm gonna probably stick with the black, but I'm gonna keep this just in case. Where's my phone? Now I lost my phone. Oh, also, just up close so you can see the stitching, so you guys know it's real. Sorry I didn't do my nails today, but anyways, how I got these shoes, I downloaded the sneakers app like not too long ago, and I tried to get the Travis Scott shoes, one of the Travis Scott shoes, and I couldn't get them. Obviously everybody wanted them. Okay, whatever, you know, I signed up for it and I was like, whatever. Usually my boyfriend does this. I got the Mochas. He was like, no you didn't, and I was like, yeah I did. So he was like, oh my gosh, like you literally only tried twice, and I was like, yeah I know, it's crazy, right? And yeah, I was just so excited because these are actually like, they weren't expensive. Like, well, they are expensive, but they're not that expensive. They were like $130, $140, so it was like retail price. And usually these shoes go for like $200, $300, probably up to like $600, $700. Like, it depends. They're all like really expensive, most of them, so it's kind of ridiculous, I think, but for shoes, you know. But these shoes are so nice. I'm so glad that I got them for a good price. So even with my outfit today, like, it would look super cute. I think I could also do a video on how to style Jordan 1s. I mean, I've been wanting to do that. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so excited to wear these shoes. You have no idea. I'm probably gonna wear them right now. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm really not gonna try to crease them or nothing. But yeah, it was such a good buy. I honestly highly recommend these shoes. They're so nice, and brown goes with so many things, especially like right now is the fall time, so it would be like perfect. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. Bye guys.